Hi everyone! In this video I am going to show you how to make cold porcelain. It's an air-dry modeling clay. And if you pick the right glue, it'll be just as durable as polymer clay. To make the glue, you'll need starch. You can use cornstarch or potato starch, it doesn't matter. But you should be more careful when choosing the glue. You need white PVA glue and it must be thick. That's what you need to pay attention to. You can use PVA wood glue. Thick PVA glue contains a plasticizer. That's the secret. To check if the glue is right, apply a thick layer to a smooth surface and let it dry completely. This is what the right glue looks like. It doesn't break and it's flexible. I am mixing the starch with the glue. The ratio is about 1:1. I say about because the consistency of the glue can vary. Before kneading the clay by hand, I usually grease my hand with oil so the glue doesn't stick as much. During the mixing process, you can add any missing ingredients. At the very end, I add some oil. It can be sunflower, olive, coconut, or baby oil. The oil gives the clay its elasticity. This clay should be stored in plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. And let the clay rest for a few hours. I keep this clay for up to a week in a bag at room temperature. And this batch of clay has been in a bag for about few weeks. It's already starting to dry out and has lost its properties. So try to use your cold porcelain within a week. Cold porcelain can be painted after it dries completely. It's best to use acrylic paints for this. You can also color it in advance by mixing paint directly into the clay. You can use acrylics or any water-based paint. You can even use food coloring instead of paint. When you add paint, the clay starts sticking to your hands because of the water in the paint. Just mix in a little more starch after the paint and then a little oil. And remember, this clay will darken by a few shades once it dries. Use the same glue you made the clay with to join the pieces together. And grease silicone molds with oil before using them. This way the porcelain won't stick to the mold and you can remove it immediately. This takes practice and it might not work the first time, but it is possible. Or you can leave the clay in the mold for 20 minutes and remove it later. If you don't grease the mold, you'll have to leave the cold porcelain in the mold until it's completely dry. I hope this video was helpful and will inspire you to grow creatively.